This is Clever Charlie here. This is National 5 Maths Non-Calculator Paper 2017. I'm going to show you the work solutions for question 1 of this paper. I'm going to show you how to work it out. Okay, here the paper is here, as shown here. And then I'm going to show you question 1. Here is question 1 up there. Okay, it's worth 2 marks. It says question 1. Given that f of x equals x squared plus 3x, you have to evaluate f of minus 5. Okay, so this is function notation. Okay, so wherever we have x, there's x there, there's x squared there, and 3x, we replace it always with minus 5. So what we would write down here is f minus 5. So we substitute f minus 5 in, and we write down minus 5 squared, because we substitute x always with minus 5, which is the value in this instance. Okay, and we've got 3x there. Because we've got an x there, we have to substitute that with minus 5, so that would become plus 3 times minus 5. 3 bracket minus 5 just is my way of referring to 3 multiplied by minus 5. Okay, so we need to evaluate this, is what we're trying to work out, and we revert to the original question of given that f of x is x squared plus 3x, you have to evaluate f of minus 5. We have done the first step, we have substituted the x's in here with minus 5 here, and 3 times minus 5. Okay, we need to actually evaluate this. We need to finish the question as it's been asked. Okay, so we have to minus 5 squared. Okay, that is 5 squared, that's the same as, and that's 25. So we'll write down that is equal to 25. Okay, and there we've got plus 5 times minus 5. So we're doing 3 times minus 5 here, which is minus 15. So we write down plus minus 15. We've done all that. We've done that because we've squared that. And we look at the second part and we multiply 3 times minus 5. We have minus 15 there. Do 25 plus minus 15. We can simplify that one step further and write down 25 minus 15. Okay, and it obviously is 10. So we'll just put f minus 5 in there. And here we have the evaluation of this up here. And we have down here is 10. So I will underline that to show it to the answer. Okay. So I'll go back one more time and I'll show you what I've done here. Okay. The first thing you would do is you would substitute the x's with the minus 5 as is shown there. So we've done that. Minus 5 squared plus 3 times minus 5. We then evaluate the next one, everything once. So 5 squared is 25, minus 5 squared is 25, and 3 times minus 5 is 15. We've done that. Simplified the expression, although some people would miss out this bit, and then would just go into this bit. That's okay as well. And finally, they find the final answer and make it clear what the final answer is to the markers. Okay, so this is how question 1 of this paper has been attempted, and this is the correct way to do it. And this uses function notation as you would have previously learned.